Instances, methods, and properties. Types enable you to understand what each value in your code represents. And type safety in Swift ensures that you use values of the right type in the right place. But types don't just describe values. They can also define or describe the attributes and behaviors of a particular kind of thing. In other words, what a type is or knows, its attributes, and what it does, its behaviors. Consider the type cat. It may have attributes such as breed, color, and age. It may have behaviors such as walking on 4 legs, purring, chasing lizards, and waking you up at 4 a.m. A cat type is different from a dog type. Although they have some similar attributes and behaviors, in Swift, the attributes of a type are called properties, and its behaviors are called methods. Even though the type describes the properties and methods of a particular kind of thing, each concrete example of the type, each cat, each dog, is a separate, independent instance of that type. For example, Shy, a 3-year-old golden British Shorthair, is one instance of the type cat. Her older sister Elsa, a 4-year-old black British Shorthair, is another instance. Both instances of cat have the same properties, but they may have different values for those properties. What is another type of animal? It's number 1. 2. List at least 5 properties of that animal type. 3. List at least 3 methods or behaviors of that animal type.